What an honor it is to be with you all this evening. It's such an impressive moment for me, so excuse me if I sound a little nervous. I'm just incredibly excited. I'm excited, I'm passionate, and I am excited to partner in this incredible journey to make digital solutions a force for such incredible change. And this cannot be possible without every single person in this room coming together to make sure that we do everything that we can to have an inclusive mindset about what's possible when we put digital tools in the hands of change makers, of young people who can really do so much good if we give them the tools and the possibilities to really change the world. I started my career in technology a few years ago, and I was overwhelmed by the sense of possibilities. And with that in mind, I have strived in everything that I do, whether it's my work, my life, or even being lucky enough to be in this room tonight, to make sure that digital tools really get into the hands of who needs them most. Digital technologies can be a force for good and incredible tools for people. But I think Doreen said it so well. This week is about solutions, and we should all stand together to be here for the collaboration mindset that we can have when we think about the power of great data, great tools, and great people and phenomenal leaders that are the heart of this. I believe the tools for unlocking this incredible digital revolution is about the next-gen leadership as well, and making sure that we're inviting as many people as we can into the conversation, which is why I'm so inspired by this digital week at UNGA, to make sure that these activations are reaching everybody exactly where they need to, in the heart and soul of what is possible and what change can really look like. We have to forge partnerships to scale these solutions and hold people to account to make sure we really are making the difference. But all of this is possible because we need to remember the most important, that we are about young people and we're about the future, and we're about empowerment and making sure that young people really do have the digital skills to see the change that they can feel possible. This is about education, this is literacy, but most importantly, this is about storytelling and an invitation for change. This is what we're here to celebrate. We're here to celebrate solutions. We're here to come with compassion, kindness, collaboration, and overall a sense that we can only do this if we're in the room together. So thank you so much for letting me be a part of this. Thank you to Doreen and the incredible partners who are really bringing this to life. We need to do this together, and thank you so much for being a part of this and kicking off this incredible week with this amazing call to action. Thank you so much.